Yeah, yeah, homeworks I will see that. Henry, do you have any idea about the factors? Yes. For example, can you see my screen? Yeah. What is this number? Yeah, just wait, Nana. Ah. Now, can you see this number? What is this number? 4. Now, can you tell me that in one table 4 is comes or not? Yes. In two table, in three table, in four table, in five table, in six table. Now, again take that another number 9. For example, take the number is what? 9. Now, I will just change the paper. Yes, in one table 9 is possible. In two table, three table, four table, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again one more number, 12 is there. Now for the 12 tell me that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Yes or no? Now these are all called fact. These 1, 2, 4 are called factors of 4. 1, 3, 9 are called factors of 9. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are called factors of 12. Now, can you define this? What you understood while seeing of this? Just mute your everybody voice, Nana. I am getting somewhat disturbance. Now, can anybody tell me that what you understood that? Yes, factors only. I said these are called factors of respected numbers. But how can you give the definition? Definition. How to give the definition of a factor? That's the important. Now see that, for example, here 4 is there. Now one important note is, for example, if you want the factors of 4, your factors can't be exceeds of this number. Your maximum value of the factor is what? 4 only. If you write here 6 or 7 or any number other than more than 4, your answer is wrong. Yes or no? If here 9 is there, maximum number is what? 9 only. If here 12 is there, maximum number is what? 12 only. Before that numbers are there. But after, no. If you say the answer after the number, then your answer is wrong. Am I right? Yes. Now, these are the factors of a number. Yes. Now see that the factors to, if you want to define that, the factors of numbers are the multiples of the number. 4 multiples of what? 1, 2 and number itself. For example, for the 9, 1, 3. Start with the 1. Each and every number is a multiple of 1. Yes or no? In one table, each and every number will come. 1 is common in all the factors. The remaining number you have to decide that. Now it is a 4. 4 is a even number that goes in 2 table. All even numbers are goes in what table? 2 table. All even numbers, this is a even number. Even numbers, all even numbers goes are in 2 table. And the remaining numbers of, for example, 3 is there. in the 3 table which numbers are goes, sum of the digits will be divide in 3 table, then all numbers will be divided, that number will be divided in what table? 3 table. Like that I already told you that the divisibility rules, according to that you can. Now just note it down the screen. What is there on the screen? Please note it down. Factors, keep the heading is the factors. Keep the heading is a factor and write it. Who's that? Why kick outing? Yeah, don't do, guys. Actually, this kick outing problem is not by someone is doing that. The app itself is giving some that like that options. Okay, nobody is kick outing Nana. Actually, that app only the by default the doing that like that. Okay, write it. Completed? Now, yes, very good. And you know the multiplications, yes or no? Then those who have the textbook, just open the page number 42. Those who have the textbook, open the page number 42, think and answers. Page number 42, think and answers. Question number 1. Listen the question careful. The seventh multiple of 5. The seventh multiple of 5 is what? What is the answer? How much? Very good. Seventh multiple of 5 means you have to multiply 7 into 5. Right? For example, 8th multiple means 8 into 5. 8th multiple is what? 8 into 5. That is equal to 40. Yes. For example, 10th multiple means 10th multiple means 10th means 10 into 5, that is equal to 50. Okay. Okay. Thank you. The second question, question number 2. Listen the question. Multiples of, I think this I completed. Then again why you are listening, asking that? Did I explain to LCM and HCF also? LCM I told na? You know LCM and you know HCF. You don't know HCF. Okay, now I will explain you HCF. HCF means that the abbreviation, full form of the HCF is equal to highest common factor. Highest common factor. LCM means, can anybody tell me that abbreviation of the LCM? Least, L-E-A-S-T, least common multiple. Least common multiple. Now I will tell you that how to solve the HCF. For example, the numbers are 6 and 10 is there. They will give the question is about find the HCF of these two numbers. How to solve that? Anybody knows? Do you know how to solve? In out of two numbers, one number should be the minimum number and other number must be maximum number. Yes or no? Any two numbers, one number is minimum and one is maximum. Now you know that how to divide that number. This write the minimum number